Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to crochet hyacinth. Let's start with large petal. Make a knot. Work 19 chains as chain line. Finished, starting on the second chain from the hook and add the soft wire 0.4 millimeters. Then work 4 single crochet first. 2, 3, 4. Then work 13 half double crochet stitch. Finished the last chain, we need to work 8 half double crochet stitches in one stitch. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, adjust the soft wire, and on the other side, we crochet symmetrically. Work 13 half double crochet first. Finished, work the last 4 single crochet stitches. Then work a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch. Work a chain and cut off the yarn. Use the left yarn to wrap around the soft wire. Then we have finished one large petal. We need 6 large petals for one flower. If you want to make 2 flowers, you need to make 12. Now let's crochet the small petal with yellow yarn. For the small petal, we need to crochet 16 chains as chain line. Finish, starting on the second chain from the hook and add the soft wire. Then we crochet single crochet stitch. We need to work 14 single crochets on this side. Finish the last chain, we need to work 3 single crochets in one stitch. On the other side, we also crochet 14 single crochets. Finish, work a slip stitch in the first stitch and work a chain. Then cut off the yarn. Use the left yarn to wrap around the soft wire. We need 3 small petals for one flower, and 2 flowers need 6 small petals. Then take out the green yarn to work the leaves. Make a knot. Work 36 chains first. Okay, finished 36 chains. Starting on second chain from the hook. Add the soft wire 0.4 millimeters. Then work 8 single crochet stitches. You can make a mark on the first single crochet stitch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then continue to work 22 half double crochet stitches. Finished 22 stitches, continue to work 4 single crochet stitches. 3, 4. Okay, now we have left the last chain. Work 3 single crochet stitches in last chain. Finished. On the other side, we crochet symmetrically. 4 single crochet stitches first. 2, 3, 4. Then continue to work 22 half double crochet stitches. After 22 half double crochet, we continue to work 8 single crochet stitches to finish this round. Finished, work a slip stitch in the first stitch. Then work a chain to start round 2. In round 2, we need to crochet 35 single crochet stitches. Then in the 36th stitch, we need to work 2 single crochets first. Then work chain to picot. Continue to work a single crochet in the same stitch. Then work 35 single crochets to finish this round. Finished, work a slip stitch in the first stitch and work a chain. Then cut off the yarn. Use the left yarn to wrap around the soft wire. Now have finished the leaf. We need 2 leaves in total. Now let's crochet the flower base. In Magic Ring, work single crochets first and make a mark. Then continue to work 6 single crochet stitches, 7 stitches in total. Finished, fasten up the loop and work a slip stitch in the first stitch. Then work a chain to start round 2. Work 6 single crochets first. 3, 4, 5, 6. The last stitch we need to work an increase, which means work 2 single crochets in one stitch. Then work a slip stitch in the first stitch. Work a chain to start round 3. Work 7 single crochet stitches first. 4, 5, 6, 7. The last chain work an increase. Then work a slip stitch in the first stitch. Work a chain to start round 4. Work 8 single crochet stitches first. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last stitch, work an increase. Work a slip stitch in the first stitch. Then work a chain to start round 5. Round 5, we need to work 9 single crochet stitches and an increase. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then work an increase. Finished, work a slip stitch. Then work a chain to start round 6. Work 4 single crochets first. 2, 3, 4. Then work an increase, which means work 2 single crochet stitches in one stitch. Then continue to work 4 single crochet stitches. 2, 3, 4. Then work an increase. Then work a single crochet in the last stitch. Finish, work a slip stitch in the first stitch. Work a chain and cut off the yarn. Now I have finished the flower base. You can make 2. Then take out a soft wire and orange yarn. Wrap the middle part with orange yarn. Then fold Then fold the wire in half and wrap the left wire with the left yarn. Clamp the yarn with wire and tighten it. Finished and cut off the yarn. Now have finished the stamen. Every flower needs a stamen. Congratulations, you are done.